You?
No, my bike. Monkey, my friend.
Okay, then
Monkey's your friend?
Yeah.
You help us. Make sure they don't bite us.
Yeah.
Okay.
You name? Raju. Oh, you name?
Sunday.
Sunday. Raju.
Raju. Suraj.
There. Up temple.
So he's going to come with us then, is he?
Bill 4.
England. UK.
Hola, hola.
Hello. It's from England. You say hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello. How are you?
How are you? I'm
Good. Yeah.
What is your job?
I'm a nursing assistant.
Are you my friend?
I'm a nurse.
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 Same?
No, different. So you have doctor, then you have nurse.
He's
So
doctor,
no.
he's a nurse.
Yes.
So no school today?
Yes.
I close.
Finish
I
school.
tomorrow.
Ah.
Finish.
He's baby.
Oh,
What is your name?
Three. He's 3.
It's 3. Suraj.
So what's your name?
Suraj.
What's your name? Say Rahul.
Rahul. Very nice.
You? I alone, monkey bite you. You small baby
Yeah.
attack.
A monkey
Jump
ate me
for
yesterday.
me.
Monkey, my
ate
friend.
me in Delhi, a monkey ate me.
Here, how many monkey?
10,000 monkeys.
Is there lots of monkeys up
Sure, we're
there?
going to get scammed.
Oh my god.
10,000.
But anyway, we're walking up
Many monkey.
to the monkey temple in Jaipur.
One Japanese, one
Met
Japanese.
these 2 little kids,
Attack one Japanese.
Raju and Suraj. They're going to protect us from the monkeys because the monkeys bite. So, yeah, we'll see.
Come on,
Hello, sir.
I thought you view first.
This one?
No, no, no,
अरे मना कर दिया है आंटी मना
तू तो कर दिया ना.
no.
It's okay, it's okay.
रहने दे.
It's okay यार baby. बिंदी baby बिंदी.
This one my food. Below to school. Below. Like tomorrow.
Yes.
You go to Sun Temple. You take photo. You go down.
Is the monkey temple the one on top?
Monkey Temple at the side. 2 kilometers.
Is it?
Yes, I see there.
Oh shit.
You give
I'll give.
one more candy.
Hello. It is
Ja
sweet.
बेटी. Ja.
Let's go. Hello.
रुक ना यार. You give. Only like this. Yes. Give.
Very nice.
Oh wow.
Took it off the...
Very
You give mom.
Took my mom's off daddy.
Give it.
You want to give this to monkey? My mom's...
Don't
What do you
bite you.
have this?
Monkey, my friend.
It's a
I'll
monkey
give it to
my
the baby.
friend यार.
Ow, 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 ow. Nice? Or is it nice? I mean,
Aww.
Finish.
come up.
सूरज से रुको थोड़ी बहुत निकले.
Come my friend. Come up.
Get on the camera.
Come on, let's take photos.
Yeah.
Get your camera out then.
500 chain, give it to 100. Don't win you, okay?
You want to take your photo? Where's lots of monkeys?
Baby.
Oh, he thinks you've got something.
Chotu, tu ja सूरज से बोल. Ja.
No, it's okay. Come on, let's go.
No, 1 minute. Come here. बंदा गलता जी बंदा.
No.
थोड़ी सी लियास. My friend, 1 minute. You monkey food. My friend, monkey food. This one, go be deep. इधर दे दे. पूरी दे दे. पूरी दे दे.
You monkey shoulder.
You give monkey food.
Shoulder.
Shoulder.
Yeah, shoulder.
baby.
Can
Open it. They can open it.
Yes.
Shoulder.
You
Can
give
shoulder.
Ow. Monkey.
baby.
Ow.
Oh, Ramji.
Oh my god, there's loads of them.
Yeah, excuse me, monkey.
There's lots.
Mini monkey 10,000.
10,000.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it to the baby. You give baby peanut.
Hello, baby.
Give baby peanut. Hold it.
Don't problem.
Like
my
this, look,
friend.
Ra like this.
This one like this.
He didn't open it. He just put it in his mouth.
No. Give sir.
Huh?
You give him. Come here. Only baby, baby,
Give it to
baby.
the big
Only
one.
baby?
I dare you. I
No,
dare
no,
you.
no, I'll get the babies.
I'll
Big ones will probably kill me.
give baby.
Not to the
Baby.
big one.
What are the big ones?
No big one, my friend.
Yeah.
Only small, yeah. Yes.
Oh,
No
wow.
problem.
Yes.
Oh, it's got all of them.
Very nice. Oh, अंग्रेज को खूब ना अंग्रेज को दे थोड़ी बहुत
Really?
My friend,
कंधे पे बिठा ले इनको
baby. Oh, baby. Shoulder. आजा. Fighting, baby.
बेबी बेबी फाइटिंग
तू outside तो नहीं.
No, it's okay.
तो ध्यान में रखोगे इनको
My friend, come here, man.
Karen, look.
Stand up.
Look.
Stand up. Stand up.
Ah, Baba. Excuse me, monkey. Let's take this up for a minute.
ये चलेगा बेटी, ये चलेगा देख.
Look, they're climbing on the boat. Look. Oh.
Come here, my friend. Come here.
You okay?
So we made it to the top of the Sun Temple. Apparently the Monkey Temple's the other side, over there somewhere. And I think it might be a bit too much of a trek with Raoul and the heat and stuff. But the view up here is fantastic. Really amazing. The only concern is that these kids going to scam us and steal our money and whatnot. Anyways. Anyway, if I'm still alive after this, then yeah, great. If not, someone will see this. And so survived the perilous journey with those two little kiddies. Tried to get us to pay extra loads of money. Apparently they had a boss we had to pay, but we kind of got no money. And then the taxi driver, Super Celine, he's like, oh, I'll take you around, da, da, da. And then his friend tried to charge us a couple of thousand.
Why are you crying? Look at those dresses, they're
As
really
well.
nice.
So we survived in the end. And over there is Hawa Mahal just there.